What's up guys, it's your boy Pro Gamer here, back with another video. And today in this video I'm going to be playing them. Oh, that's a bad timing. Bee Swarm Simulator. And yeah, I've not made a video on this before, but I have been playing it, and I have quite a lot of bees. I have the vacuum and the back. I have 9 bees, and then I have the I've got a quest to defeat 15 ladybugs, and then got 3,000 pollen from the pineapple patch. But I need to get a silver egg or save up for an egg, because I need 10 bees to enter to the place where the pineapple field is. And then I have 6 basic bees, and then I have a cool bee, and I have a frosty bee and a honey bee. No, not a honey bee. Which one is it? It is the hasty bee, and then I have a cool bee, and then I have a frosty bee, and then I have 6 common normal bees. So my quest for the black bear at the moment is to collect 13,000 pollen from the pineapple patch. But I need one more bee to do that. And for some reason I cannot do parkour. I cannot get that jelly. This is me trying to do parkour. I was sat on my sofa last night just trying this. Oh, that's another ladybug for my quest. I cannot do it. I'm on tablet, so it might be really hard. I don't know if that makes it any different. And now just do it. No, I can't do it for some reason. I swear it's glitch. I can't do it. I've not done the one up by the spider field. I've only had 2 jellies. I got a jelly for completing some for the panda bear, whatever. That guy. It's called a spider ball about it. Oh no, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Oh. I've not got that one up there, the bamboo parkour. I'm nearly dead, nothing. I've never died before. I've died from full damage, but I've not died by a rhino or any other creatures. I've only died from full damage. Alright. Talk to Panda Bear. Silver eggs are rare. You want this egg, you've got to prove it yourself. Come back when you've... I need 6 more. While we're up here, let's go and get 2 more ladybugs. Get 2 more, and then we can get get 2 ladybugs, then we can go down up them ladders onto the clover, and then we can get 1 more, I believe, and then Got 2 ladybugs here. What are you doing? You're collecting pollen. I could die. No. Put them ones. I'm like smelling it. I want 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 it. No, have you killed them? I want to kill them. Have you killed them? No, you haven't. That's good. This one ladybug. I'm gonna need 3 more. I don't care about the rhino. Ladybug, ladybug, ladybug. No. No. Who killed that? I think I did. I don't know though. And then I've got to go up to that thing. I'm gonna try and get to the pumpkin patch because I know there's I think there's a I don't want to deal with you. There's one behind a pumpkin in the pumpkin patch, and that is up there, I believe, near next to the cactuses. I'm gonna need 15 for that, and then to get some more Frodo, I need to go past in there. I don't know. Go over here. Two minutes, right? I should be laughing because that's me. If you're on tablet, then you're dead. We're not dead, but you're never gonna get that. It's just so hard on tablet. Because most of the times I miss the hit button, the jump button. What am I doing on here? Oh no, it's glitched again. I keep running without even touching. I'm not even touching my iPad. I'm moving backwards, not letting me. I can jump, but I can't. Oh, I'm. Need one more beat. Let's just get some honey on the way. The explosives seem to do a lot. I missed that one. Cha-ching, cha-ching, dollar, dollar. I only give 10. That's gonna be just go. Try and do it on the way. I keep going under and it's so annoying. Kill that ladybug, because we can use that for that challenge. There's another one, yay! Yay! Oh no, it's going after that one. We need the kill, we need the kill. We need the kill, we need the kill, we need the kill. There's 2. Ooh. Normally the limit's 2. My bug saved you from. My bug saved you. Need 2 more. Two more bugs. We can. It's been about 2 minutes, so we can go up to next to the spider patch. Don't know what patch that is. I'll have to do that. Do that parkour. We'll play for them, and then we've done the challenge. Whoop, whoop. I don't get why they're so big. I feel like when I have some more bees and they'll give me boosts and power-ups, I'll be able to do that parkour. And that one. Because the closest I've got was to that, like, that white brown bit. Sounds weird. The long brown bit. Long brown. The one literally right above me right now. That one. That's the closest I've got. And then I fell on that smaller one. Oh, flip. Nothing more. I didn't even know that was. I didn't get rid of all of my. Maybe I want to make my honey. Where are my bees at? We need 2 more bees. 2 more bees. Cool bee takes out 75. So that's pretty cool. The cool bee's cool. Let's go back up there. I didn't even know that rhino beetle was there. Just snuck up on me. It's stuck again. I was stuck. I also died because I was doing it one-handed. Ooh, 400, no, 4,000. 5 spiders, that's gonna take like an hour. 5 spiders. Takes 20 minutes every time. It's gonna be like an hour. No, it's gonna be an hour and 2 hours actually. Are you serious? Are you serious? I'll just do it off camera because that's gonna take like forever. I guess what we gotta do now is just collect pollen. I don't think there's anything else we can do. Speed boost. Cha-ching, 481 pollen. Kobe's gone to have a sleep. We only have our commons. We have all of our commons here. This is why I had like... This is literally all I had like... 3 hours ago. 983. Not gonna complain. It's a lot. And then like it. For some reason like sometimes like don't even get like I'm gathering it, but it's not like giving it. It's not saying I've got it. Probably because it's just lag. As you see somebody die in front of my eyes. Miss Kipper. Someone. Mr. Clipper. Mr. Clipper. Mr. Clipper. R.I.P. Everybody in the comments, RIP. Everybody in the comments say RIP Mr. Clipper. That'd be really funny if people did that. In the comments, everybody put RIP Mr. Clipper. R.I.P. Mr. Clipper. I'm even gonna do it.